Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show how you can use browser VPN to change your IP. This can help you in a lot of different ways. The general idea is that the VPN secure your data that no one can see your personal information or what you're doing online. The VPN application that I'm going to show is called Hawks VPN and it is free to use. You only need a short registration process and you are good to go. Open your web browser and search for Hawks VPN and navigate to the download page. There you can find Google Chrome and Firefox download extension. The VPN extension is working with Brave browser as well. I'll show you how later in the tutorial. Add the extension to Firefox. It's a very short installation process. After it you'll see the app icon on the right upper corner. Click it. Select your language and register. Now I'm going to log in from my account and show you how it works. You can see a list of countries to disguise your IP to. I'm going to select a different country and you will see that my IP changes. Now, as I said before in the tutorial, the VPN extension works with Brave browser as well as Chrome and Firefox. Open Brave and look for the Hawks VPN as you find the Chrome extension. Add it and you can see it is fully functioning on Brave.